Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. We are carrying on with our kitchen today, and we're going to make the hob and extractor fan, so let's get cracking into it. The hob is going to go somewhere here, so we're just going to create our hob with a cube. Let's just scale that, so that's what we're going to do. Just going to scale it down to about there, but I'm going to chuck in a little loop cut, Control R, just bring it down here somewhere, and then that one we're just going to bring it down like that. So that's going to go on the top there. I mean, we may need to make it a little bit bigger, but these cupboards here we're going to move over. We might just move it over as far as the wall there, and then we can make the, in fact we could just duplicate, Shift D on the X. Let's duplicate this. We're going to scale it. No, we're going to leave it as it is. We're going to put a couple of loop cuts in, so Control R. We're going to bring that down to about there. Control R. Bring that into about there. We can adjust all these. We're going to select this top and then scale that like so, and then we're just going to we're going to select our main cube, and then we can just bring that across. So then we can just select that and bring that over, not twist it, just bring it over to the wall there. So we're like that. I could just bring that in a little bit. Yeah, I'm liking that. Maybe just pull that out to there, and that one out to there, and then just select that top one and then just bring it in line with all the others, because then that will be going out to outdoors. Okay, now what we need to do here is add some hob knobs. So we're going to create the cylinders. Okay, so it's going to be in there like so. So we'll have 4 of those. Let's just make it a bit smaller. Okay, and then we can have 4, Shift D on the X, 2, 3, 4. Let's just spread them out a bit more, like so. We need it, well, you can have whatever colour you want, obviously. Mine's going to be the black, and the same with these. There, there, and there. What we will do is Control A, scale, edit, Alt, and select the top set of edges, and then we can Alt and B to bevel to give it a nice round edge, and then shade smooth. I mean, you could have done this before be duplicated. Control A, scale, Control B. In fact, you know what? I'm just going to delete 1, 2, 3. Shift. Let me just check the Shift D on the X. Shift D on the X. Shift D on the X. Like so. And then what we need to do, because they're not going to be flush with the surface there, I'm just going to raise it up a smidge. I'm just going to rotate them on the X. Bring them back down a wee bit. There we go. Okay, and then on here, we're going to select this face here. Going to inset like so. And we might just, no, we'll leave it like that. So the outer side is going to be a rough kind of dark, and then the inside is going to be shiny. So we're going to crank up that specular metallic, bring that roughness down, and we just need to assign it. Let's see how we're looking. It's just so we, yeah, look at that. Just so we can see where the heat plate is. I'm quite happy with that. So that is our hob done. The fan will have that, maybe metallic, like a silver, I think. Roughness. Yeah, I think that looks good. Let's just see what it renders out like. What we'll do is we will move our toaster away. Let's just bring that roughness down a bit more. Let's smooth that out the way. Move it over here a bit. Maybe while it's not being used, we can just push it against the wall there. We still need to put cables on that. Yeah, let's, we need to take that up a bit more. There we go, like that. There we go. And so it's nice and easy today. Let's just see how we look in the render. Yeah, that's looking good. I think we could take those two lights out of the oven. Switch those off as it's not being used. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with that at the moment. Is it looking big enough? Where's our dude? Oop. Select hierarchy. Let's just bring him back in. And G on the X. G on the Y. Yeah, I think that's alright. What we could do later, we'll chuck some light under here. We'll chuck like maybe a couple of spotlights. Let's just quickly see. Whoops. Kind of there. Let's maybe, oh no, that's alright. Do we need spotlights, or we just change into the point lights? Oh yeah. Or maybe what we should do is have a area light and then make it like a strip light all the way along there. What the hell's going on? Like that maybe. And then we could change colour. Oh, how cool would that be? You could have it like whatever colour you wanted. Have it like a light blue. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So that's the hob and the extractor fan in. So we're slowly getting there. We've got to do the sink. Maybe we'll do that next time. And we've still got to do the cupboards and the boards. Yeah, that's looking good. Utensils. I think a blind up here, like a roller blind that comes up and down. Maybe a plant or something, or some jars up here. Yeah, it's looking pretty cool. I'm pretty darn happy with that. Let us know how you're getting on with yours. Drop us a comment below. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Our kitchen is certainly getting there, slowly but surely. I hope you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next video. Ta-da for now.